Okay, so good evening, guys. Let's start today something new topic in MongoDB. So guys, last time I think so we saw a lot of things in MongoDB, the CRUD operation, then again a lot of things, isn't it? So right now the time is let's go a little bit deeper inside of that. So if you want to go with the MongoDB deeper, there is a little bit we have the things inside, like you have to be a query documents. I think so right now. This is one topic I took from your book, that is called querying and indexing in MongoDB. What is a query and indexing? So guys, what happened right now, we will covering something which one is related to your document. Right now document means what? Basically you are creating first database. Inside of the database you have the collection. Inside of the collection you have to your document, right? So right now today we are understanding that which kind of code you have. Query means something code, okay? Which code you have, which one we can apply on the document and we can able to do the operations, okay? So we have the some operations are present, some code is there which one are helping for your document purpose, okay? So let's understand that what is exactly the thing. So before we are starting, let's understand first the theory. Theory is what? Introduction to the querying in the MongoDB, means queries in the MongoDB. So queries means a retrieving specific data from a database. Means if you want to retrieve any kind of data from database, so basically queries are helping you, right? So the queries are basically helping you to retrieve your data from your database. In MongoDB, queries are used to search and filter the document from collection. So I said that you have the collection as collection are there. Like if you are considering as a MySQL, then what happen? You have to be a table, and inside of the table you have the data. Same like that, you have the collection, and inside of the collection you have to be a documents. So you can able to find or maybe the filter your document using by your queries. Okay, so we are writing some queries so we can identify, we can filter, we can search our documents whatever you have inside of the collection. Okay, means basically we are calling to the document. Now MongoDBs provide a different query operators to find a document based on the condition. Means what happen? Basically if you want to filter, if you want to find your documents inside of your collection, so we have the specifically queries are there, and that queries also we have to the operators. Means this operator, you can see the down I have the operators are there. This operator going to help you to find and the filter your data or the search your data. You can check. So that topic we calling as a MongoDB query operators. Means basically we are query plus we are attaching to the operator. So when these two concepts are coming together, basically we can identify or we can say we can specify any kind of document. We can search any kind of document in your MongoDB. Okay, so let's go. I'm going with the next slide. I created over here your purpose some kind of queries which one you can help that and you can able to understand this topic. Right now before that, understand what is exactly the query operators are there. In other programming language you have to the greater than, less than, equal to. Are you getting? Same like that over here you have to the equal to, greater than, less than, greater than and equal to, less than and equal to, match values in the array. So basically this is also you have to the operator. Like only the thing is over there in your other programming language you are using like this kind of operator, right? Suppose equal to, then again I can say greater than, less than, isn't it? So this kind of symbols you are using, but whenever you are using a MongoDB, you are using a dollar sign. Did you get it? That dollar and EQ means it is equal to. Then you can use dollar GT means greater than. You can use dollar LT means less than. Dollar GTE means greater than or equal to. Then again you are using dollar LTE means less than or equal to. Then dot sorry, not dot, a dollar in means match value in the array. So basically simple is there, you have the lot of data is there, and in that data if you have the something number or something data you have, in that data if you want a something greater than, you want to check, like suppose you have to be a mark table. So in that mark table you want to check that who getting to their marks greater than 90, who getting to their marks less than 70, are you getting? So you can use and you can filter data using by these operators. Operators means what? Like a greater than, equal to, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. So these operator are going to help you to filter, or you can say the identify your data. Okay, now let's see to the practically also. It is not like that I want to take only the theoretically. So what we are doing right now, let me first open your Mongo shell. Mongo sh, Mongo shell we are going to use. Let me open this. Okay, so right now we are coming over here in the Mongo shell. First we need to log in with Mongo shell. First let's connect that. So as it is, we need to write this MongoDB colon hyphen hyphen localhost, and over here again okay, we need to remove this one over here, the colon, and write your localhost number. So my localhost number is 0 like 2027 okay. I think so by default everyone having this one only, so you need to write your localhost. Then after, see right now I'm inside of the test. So this is your by default. So what I'm doing right now, let me show the database. So if you want to see your all database, so what we are writing command, show dbs. Let me enter button. So you can see I have to be a admin, then again configure local and school. So first, before we are doing this, let me first delete my school table. I can start from, I can create from scratch, so you can understand that how we can use a greater than, less than, these operators in your MongoDB. So right now what happened, you already have to be a school. What I'm doing first, let me delete that school. And if you want to delete, then what you need to do, you need to first go inside of your database. So if you want to select the database, we are using use your school. Okay, then after we need to use enter button. So you can see over here I just recently switched with my another database that is called school. Now what I'm doing right now, I want to delete this school, so we can use db dot then after you can say I want to drop my database. D should be the capital. Okay, database. Now bracket open, bracket close, and I will be hit the enter button. So you can see right now I deleted my database. So whatever I have the data, I already lose that all data. So problem is not there because I want to create from scratch. Now what I'm doing, again I'm going to close your MongoDB shell. Now again we are going over here, Mongo, okay, DB sh, okay, Mongo sh. Let's go back again your command prompt. Okay, this is the MongoDB command prompt, and let me copy these things again back. We need to connect first MongoDB blah 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 blah, whatever we have, and then again 27017. Let me hit enter button. So right now we are again back to your things. So recently we deleted our database. Okay, let's check that also. Let me zoom for you a little bit. Let's check that is it database are visible or not. So if I want to see the all database again back, we are writing command show dbs. Okay, let me say dbs. Okay, show dbs. So I can see over here right now there is no anymore existed my school as a database. Okay, let's do it that, let's create that. So I am using over here, I want to use a school. So even if you want to create a database, we already learned that we need to use a command that is called use school. Okay, not schools, I want to say that use school. So when you hit enter button, you can see it is, if suppose it's existed, then it will be switched with the school, or if suppose it's not there, it will be created as a school database. Right now when you created database, now time to create the collection. So we are using db dot create a collection. C should be the capital, collection. Okay, bracket open, bracket close. I want to go inside of the bracket, use your parenthesis means double quotation, and I want to give a name as my data sorry, my collection, that is called students. Okay, students s. Okay, now I'm using hit enter button. You can see right now over here collection is ready. database is ready. Over here I created database, then I created the collection name I use as a students. Okay, now time to check is it database are existed or not. So I can say again back show dbs, enter. You can see right now one school database is created. Now after that I want to check to the collection also, so we are writing show collection. Okay, so let's see over here we are writing to the collection I want to check. We are using enter button. Okay, so there will be little bit problem. What is the problem? So over here I think so collection is okay, so there will be the mistake. Basically what happened, I said a show collection rather than I want to say that show collections. S, enter button. Are you getting? So simple is there. Why the error is figure out that over here, or why the error are came, because of I rotate that I want to see the collection. So instead of you need to write a collection, you need to write what, a collections. Okay, so multiple means it will be showing your all collections. So a collection, not sorry, a collection. So you can see over here I create I can see right now over here over here as a students. Now after the collection we need to create inside of the lot of document, isn't it? So how we can create a data, because guys if we want to perform greater than, less than, equal to, then definitely we want something data, isn't it? Okay, so what exactly? I said that I want to create a data. If I have the data, then I can able to use the operators, right? Means greater than, less than. So simple, I created over here data. So if you want to insert a data, then you need to write a command db dot student, means it's your collection name. Then after dot insert many data. You know, if I'm writing one by one, it's taking a lot of time. We already learned to the CRUD operation. In that C for create. I want to create. I want to feed the data inside of my database, so we can use a insert query. Insert many means what, at a time lot of data. Then again bracket, your rounded bracket will be open over here, close over here. Then again I have to the array format of data, so we will use over here your square bracket open, square bracket close, and then inside we will write a curly bracket, means your one data, second data, then again third data, fourth data, and the fifth data I added to the five data. Don't forget that after curly bracket open, curly bracket close, and if you have the multiple data is there, you need to add the semicolon of the end. Okay, so I added over here semicolon. Then after, okay, over here the end of the section, you can see over here it is not needed to be a semicolon. Okay, let me go to the again back down. Okay, last, because I don't have after letter any kind of extra data, right? So over here you can see I created name as Joseph, Rohit, Kelly, Musa, and Binta. Then again I have to see it separated your object like a using by comma. Then again I have the age 19, 20, 30, 13, then again 25. Then again marks I have 45, 90, 30, whatever I have, and look, they have to the different course like a BIT, CS, and BCA. So let me hit over here enter button. You can see right now it's a store the five objects, means a data I store inside of one document, or you can say that I created as a different document, right? So over here you can check over here I have to the zero value, because MongoDBs are counting from to the zero. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have right now five data. Right now let's see that also it's store or not. So what we will use, if I want to see the all data, so we can use db dot my collection name, that is called student. So inside of the student I have to the documents. So you can say over here I want to find. So if you hit enter button, you can able to see your all data whatever you saved, means this is the document 1, document 2, document 3, document 4, and your document 5. Okay, so 5 data is properly stored. Now after this one, let's use your query. You know, we understand over here we have to the query concept, right? Let's see, if suppose I want to see to the who having a gray, who having age equal to, like suppose I have to the a lot of data is there. So in that data I want to check that who have the age is the 21. So we are using equal to query. Okay, what we are using, equal to query. So what I'm doing right now, I'm doing copy paste, but you guys please don't do that, because you need to become as a coder, right? Okay, so what happen if I'm copy pasting, your time will be the same. Okay, now let's go over here. What I will be doing, see over here. We are writing query db dot student dot find. Okay, sir, but over here we can say the lot of things. Okay, if you guys want to write in the one single also, you can write. There will be no problem. You can check. If you want, you can write in also in the one single line. Check it over here. Okay, so I wrote it as a query db dot student find. I want to find something. See, brackets open, brackets close, again your curly bracket open, curly bracket close. I want to apply who having age is dollar equal to 21. So there we have anyone age is the equal to 21, equal to 21. Okay, we don't have anyone age is equal to 21, so we can suppose we can take over here as a Cali person. Cali having age is a 30, so we can say instant of 21. I want to figure out that any person having age is the 30 equal to. So you know that we have to the one person, a Cali, his age is the 30. So let's see that person is coming or not. You can see, okay, there will be the mistake in our thing. So bracket open, bracket close, bracket open, over here also bracket close. Okay, we missed to the one bracket over here. See, this bracket open, this bracket close, this bracket open, and where is the closing? Because we have this bracket, but where is the one curly bracket is there? Okay, let me say up arrow, so your all data will be coming. Then after we need to go inside over here, one bracket I want to add and hit enter button. You can see right now the Cali person data is came, isn't it? So this is, guys, I want to mean that you have to the query document, means you have the queries relevant to your document, so your document you can able to figure out very easy, isn't it? So db student dot find, I want to find who having age is equal to 21, isn't it? And this equal to is nothing but we are using to the operator, isn't it? Now sir, equal to we use, let's use something different. If suppose I want to use to the who having greater than age, greater than purpose, we are using gt, right? Check it over here. I want to check that who having to the greater than, previously we checked to the age, let's took to the another something. Okay, like if you don't, if you know that, check it over here. We have the different data. We have to the age, we have the marks, we have the name. So you cannot able to apply on the name because name is the letters, it's not a greater than and less than. So what we will do right now, we can apply for the marks purpose. Okay, so let's see over here. I want to, sorry, this is by default. So if I want to use over here db dot student, okay, let me apply something another operator. I want to apply for my student as a document, sorry, student as a collection, and inside I have the document. I want to find, okay, I want to find something, let's see, suppose I want to go with first age. Okay, I want to apply for my age. Okay, where, okay, my brackets open, bracket close, where my dollar sign is gt. Gt means it's a greater than. Okay, greater than, if suppose I want to see who having a marks as a greater than 50, then you can check over here. Okay, it's apply. So what is the problem right now? Find db student find, bracket open, bracket close, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, again I think so we miss any bracket? No. Okay, let me say gt is age is 50. Okay, oh sorry, so we need to apply for not the age, we need to apply for the marks. So let me go back again over here. Okay, marks I want to say. Okay, for marks purpose, let me hit enter button. So you can see there are the two persons are there who having marks greater than 50. Sir, but before that you write a return to the age, and if you return to the age there will be no anything. Why it's not fetched to the data? Guys, because of the reason, if you can see the properly the age is 90, age is 20, age is 30, age is 13. So there I don't have the data who having the age greater than to the 50. So that's why over here when we went over here this query age, what happened, greater than, it's not coming, right? It's not any data. They did not figure out that there will be have any data. It's a 50, right? So that's why we change age instant to your marks, isn't it? So anyone we have the marks is greater than 50. So yes, we have to the greater than 50 marks, that is called your Rohit having marks, then Musa having to the greater than 50. Okay, so you saw over here greater than. Let's see to the another also. Over here we saw the equal to, greater than, Now check inquiry, because I think so apart from everything is easy, equal to easy, greater than, less than, greater than and less than, equal to, less than and greater than, equal to. I think so these are very easy right now. Maybe the last one you are getting a little bit problem, means you will be not understand the last one. Okay, so last one, what exactly we have. Okay, so let's use to the dollar in. Dollar in means, it's again, let me show over here. Dollar in means what? Match a value in array. Okay, means basically, guys, you have the lot of data is there. Like you have to the BSc course, you have to the BCA course, you have to the BIT course. Right now, suppose I want to select two course at a one time. I want to check that how many students are coming from a BSc and BCS, Bachelor in Computer Science. How many students are there? I want this course and I want this another course. So where it's present a BSc and the BSc, okay, BCA or the BSc, that all data will be coming. Now we need to write a command for that purpose. Let me go again back over here, and we need to write a command, that is db dot student. Okay, students, then again dot, I want to use my find query, then bracket open, bracket close. Inside I want to go, I have to the object is there, so its object name is the course. Okay, so we have the course is there. So inside of course I want to use my operator. Okay, I'm going to add my operator. So operator we need to use using by dollar sign, and over here we need to use in. Okay, in means it's if you want to be call a lot of data, like I want to check that any person having to the BSc or BCS, how many people are from to the BSc and BCS. Okay, so we can check that. So before that you need to put your array, because it's in array format. Then after I can say who are took a course that is called BCA, BCA, and another one who took to the course that is called BSc. Okay, let's check. We can use enter button. You can check over here, there are three person are there who are from BSc, BCA, and BSc again back. Are you getting? Means who having from BCA and BSc. Apart from, even guys, we have to the a lot of people who are taking to the BIT also, bachelor in computer, bachelor in business in information technology. Okay, so that is also another course we have. But see, only the data is fetched, which one is the BSc, and the BCA, isn't it? So this is, you have to the query. Okay, this is, we learned right now the topic as a query document. So you have to the operators are helping you to fetch a data inside of your database. Okay, so this is, you can apply on your document, isn't it? Okay, so we can stop for over here, and next class we will learn something different.